As well as a huge range of sinks, Reginox also carries a number of instant hot water taps. These must-have accessories are a growing trend and replace the traditional kettle. Products like the Reginox Amanzi shown here are well made, well designed and will transform how you carry out certain tasks in the kitchen. Whether it's simply making a hot drink, boiling vegetables or cooking pasta, a hot water tap from Reginox will make life so much easier. Every Reginox instant hot water tap comes with a modern looking tank with display screen and of course a filter for the best quality water. As well as convenience, Reginox hot water taps are also efficient because you only use what you need. There are several models available in the range in addition to the Amanzi. We also have the Vici, which has a more traditional appearance that perfectly complements use on a ceramic sink. Whatever your chosen preference, you can be sure that your Reginox instant hot water tap will be reliable, well made, and of course will carry the reputable Reginox brand.